filled with Christ, forgetting the past and looking forward to what lies ahead. Philippians chapter 3 verse 13. As we flick the calendar to a new year, we come face to face with the fact that our days on earth are numbered. As the psalmist wrote, "Teach us to number our days, that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom." No thoughtful person can approach New Year's Day without some introspection. We are reminded of the brevity of time. We also look back over our failures, mistakes, and missed opportunities, and vow that we will make better use of our time during the coming year. We should take time to be pleasant, to smile, to extend the small courtesies we often omit, to show love to our family. Psychiatrists tell us that most people are starved for love. Take time for the goodbye kiss. We shall go to work with a sweeter spirit. Let us take time to get acquainted with our families. We are not machines. We are not robots. The secret of a happy home is that members of the family learn to give and receive love. Let us take time to express our love in 1,000 ways. Prayer for the day. As I begin a new year, Lord Jesus, I pray that my walk through the days ahead will be filled with your love for others, a love that does not count the cost,